Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. I love where we're standing right now. This house is so cute in the legendary Bay Point.
Absolutely. This house in Legends Place is such a cute little buy. I hope you'll check it out. Yeah. Hey there, we're over here at this little 3-bedroom in Legends Place. Lots of natural light, as you can see. We have an open kitchen that leads into the living room. What I love about the kitchen is there's plenty of cabinetry, and I love all the natural light coming in over the dining area. As we go into the living room, you also notice more of that natural light coming in, lots of little details, architectural ceilings, crown molding, and that sort of thing. Plenty of space, and you have that gorgeous backyard to look at.
Yes, welcome into this main ensuite. Something I absolutely love about this room is not just the space and the contiguous floors throughout, but when you're sitting right here, you get to just look at the serenity of the pond. You know, I'm half mermaid and love shiplap, so that's the thing I watch for. But let's check out this ensuite. You've got dual closets as you enter, and you do have dual sinks as well as all the other pieces that you need, a separate shower with a separate tub. And what's really great is this is available for you to kind of put your own style on it. Yep, this beautiful Bay Point home is a 3-bed, 2-bath, split bedroom floor plan. So for more information on this adorable home in Bay Point, look in the description below. You can find the listing link with added photos and details for your questions.
Excellent. And don't stop there. Make sure you follow us on our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.